For me, I wanted to solidify myself as one of the main guys. Somebody that you can rely on every single night. That's my main goal. I have high expectations for myself. Which is why I work so hard on my game and trying to improve. I don't take my lifestyle model, understand the grind lightly. It's who I am.
This kid, Norman Powell. Let me say this to America right here. Go back and watch how the Pistons used to utilize Vinny the Microwave Johnson during the postseason, during the bad boy era. Wendy, that's how I view Powell.
Norm Powell. I cannot say enough good things about Norm Powell. I've known him for over 10 years, since his UCLA days, and watched him on his complete journey throughout the NBA, to where he was a second-round draft pick, and now he's an NBA superstar. And you know what it is? It's Norm's commitment to the process. He is absolutely unshakable. No matter the situations or circumstances that he finds himself in, he's been in many difficult ones, he always rises above. He is one player that I would say has mastered the mindset on the level of Kobe, on the level of MJ. Norm Powell is unshakable.